Alright my friends, some of you may have seen this from last week over New York City. Take a look at this video that captures some sort of orb-looking UFO, by definition, unidentified flying object that is clearly not a bird or a bug. This thing is flying in way too much of a straight, perfect line for that to be possible. Now, if this video is in real speed, this would be too fast to be a drone also, at least drones I've seen. Now, it is possible that this could be a drone moving super fast, but again, if this video is in normal speed the way we have it, this looks a little too fast to be a drone covering a significant distance in a short video clip. Now, this is the original video. I didn't alter this at all. This is exactly what was on TV last week. Now, I'm going to play the original clip with the audio as well. You could tell that they don't even notice this going on while they're talking about the weather, it seems. So check this out. Here we go.
An incomplete environmental review prior to launching the plan.
Alright, so that was everything we had. So just again, take a look at this from start to finish. And then look at the freeze frames I took. Take a look at the shape. It quite literally looks like a bluish orb. Now, I know with the distance of these cameras, they're looking over a wide area. Things can be distorted and don't look right. So I'm not ruling out a drone. The only reason I don't think this is a drone is because of the speed. I mean, if you really get in there and find the beginning of this thing on frame and then follow it to the end, it covers such a massive distance that it's just hard for me to wrap my mind around this being a drone. Just based on the flight pattern alone, we could definitely rule out bugs or bird. Just a very interesting clip. I don't share too many of these unless they're actually very odd and hard to figure out. So that's why I'm sharing this with you, because I know there are people out there that spend all their time researching stuff like this. And I do like to say that I am a good video analyst when it comes to breaking things like this down, but I'm certainly not the best. I have made plenty of mistakes before when it comes to the UFO phenomena, but again, I just couldn't help but share this one with you, specifically because it's New York City, the middle of the day, and obviously because the UFO and disclosure topics are all over the place on X and the internet as a whole. Let me know your thoughts down below, my friends. I got a lot more to get out today, so keep an eye on the X, Instagram, and YouTube channel. All right, my friends, take care. Bye-bye. Stop right there, my friends. If you have not already, click that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Click all and you will get all notifications from this channel. And trust me, you won't be disappointed.